Alrighty folks, today's the day we're going to start up potting our tomato plants. Alrighty, you can see we're going up about that high in the solo cup. We'll be pulling out of this, put in Carolyn a little bit of right there. I'll mix it in. Daniel's over marking them. He's done drilled the holes for us. I was at Sam's yesterday. I took Mom back to the doctor there. I grabbed us another thing of cups. I got my dirt down here. I always like to try to moisten it up first. And if we need some more to go back into it, I can just grab us some down there.
You can probably start doing big mamas. There's a lot of them. So
how many rows did we do?
6 rows. So I don't know how many come up.
I'll start with, how many is in each row? 8?
Do about 16.
Okay. With the 10 inch right.
Okay.
We'll fast forward this, guys, so we don't bore you. Now folks, I do not like spiders, and I just happened to look over. I don't know if y'all can see it down in there or not. It's just down in there waiting.
Waiting to strike.
Okay, do I got it's back? Where is that? I'm gonna need your.
It was getting rid of your insects. Oh God. Oh God. That's a big one.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
folks, we've gotten 2 of our trays done. We're working on the 3rd right here. Carolyn and Dan's going through them quick. We gave you a little bit of a rest. It started getting pretty hot outside, and where these plants are fresh, we didn't want them to get sunburned. So it's getting evening now. We're going to try to wrap it up. Alrighty, folks. Hopefully this will work out all right. I'm using my phone. You can see we've got them all up potted there now. hopefully they'll take off and grow good. Show you up here. We've got one. The sun's a hitting on them ones. We've got a couple peppers. You can see there, maybe, hopefully. Alrighty. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Take care. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday.